Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me again this week. I am so glad to be back. I've had a major transition in my life from moving and doing all these other things. So it's so good to be back in front of the camera. I'm so excited to be back. I don't think you understand. So anyway, let's get into the review for today. I'm so excited to be reviewing these water locks. Okay, now goddess locks have been popping like all summer, all spring long. We already know that, but these are super cute. They're from the main concept. It's their Afri natural collection, and it's the 3X water locks in 22-inch. And this is what the packaging looks like. And I'm gonna zoom in closer on the stock card so y'all can see. Let me try to take the stock card out so we can see what we're working with here. All right, so this is what the stock card is looking like. I have her in the color 1B, and this is the hair. It looks so gorgeous, so pretty. So this is your stock card, and this is what the style is gonna look like, or this is how it looks on the model, and too cute. So in each pack of hair, you're getting 36 strands per pack. So that's just to kind of gauge, you know, how many packs I might use. I will let you know at the end when I'm done installing. So let's go ahead and get into the hair. So what we're looking at is a 2-strand twisted lock. So is that not gorgeous? These are so pretty. Oh, I done already pulled one off the thing, y'all. But so what it is a 2-strand twisted lock. I'm gonna put it up against my skin so y'all can see. And it's water wave, so it has like a curl to it wave. So this boasts to be lightweight, delicate on the scalp, and quick and easy installation, ready for wear, and it has a soft and friendly touch. So I will say that the quality of the hair is very soft. This is gonna be a different look, which I'm excited about. Let's go ahead and get into this review and installation, and I'll come back and give you guys my final thoughts. Honestly say that I am shocked with this hair. I honestly didn't know what to expect when I opened this hair up, but guys, do y'all see how gorgeous this is? Ah! The hair is so soft and it's lightweight. I have it all the way up to my edges and it's not pulling, it's not tugging. So I do like the fact that you don't have to be as cognizant of your edges with this because it's not pulling and it's not rubbing. The hair is super soft, so my scalp is not irritated at all. And I did not wash this hair, and this is what it's giving. So I used 4.5 packs to do this whole head. I do think that you need to use a little bit more hair just because that the hair is so like neatly twisted and everything. It's not gonna take us up as much space as hair that's like fluffy. But this is so pretty. Oh, I'm like shocked. All in all, they delivered with this. I was not expecting much, but I love how this looks. Like, do y'all hear me? I'm obsessed with how this looks. This is so gorgeous. And it is 22 inches, so I'm gonna show you guys. It's falling right there on my chest on both sides. So it's pretty long. But it's definitely 22 inches. So I think that this would be even cute in like some shorter styles, maybe like 18 inch, 16 inch, because this is a look, honey. This is a look. So there's a couple of things that you gotta be aware of when you're installing them. So the first thing you need to be aware of is that they will untwist if you pull the hair the wrong way. So while you're pulling the hair through the loop or when you're crocheting the hair, make sure that you're actually grabbing the whole twist and pulling it through and not parts of it or pieces of it, because it will unravel on you. So make sure that you're doing that. Also, these were super, super easy to install. Like, other than the little, you know, making sure you're pulling the whole twist through, this took me like 15 minutes. It didn't take me long at all. I did love how easy it was to install, how lightweight it is on my edges. This hair is just super cute, and it's just perfect for summer. Perfect for a nice little vacation, if you don't feel like doing your hair, or just perfect for putting your hair up for a couple days for a beautiful protective style. I think this is a win in my book. Like, y'all see this, right? Y'all are seeing this. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous and stunning. So that's all I have for this review, guys. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Make sure you go check out the main concepts. Water locks, the 3x water locks. It's just a beautiful style. I know you guys will love it. It's super easy, and it's super easy to maintain. Like, I didn't even have to put any mousse or anything. There's no frizzing. The hair is basically perfect. So if you made it to the end of the video, you might as well subscribe now. You know, go on and join the family. I would love to have you. Also, if you're on IG and on TikTok, you can follow your girl at @just_DJ. Thank you so much for watching this review, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.